So today's meditation is by request. I asked you all for your requests for meditations, and one that I knew immediately that I'd have something for was a meditation to connect with your intuition, to strengthen your intuition, to connect to that inner God wisdom that we all have, that gut that tells us exactly what to do and is 100% right 100% of the time. This actually comes from a lesson that I've been teaching for a really long time. I don't know how it didn't end up in my first book, but it is in chapter 3 of my new book, which is going to be backwards, Managing the Motherload. This is the galley, the official galley. The book comes out in August, and I hope you'll pick that up. The link is in the video description, along with the link to join my private Facebook community where we talk about all the good stuff every single day. And I have a link for this book, which is also inspiring this meditation today. This is Mary Magdalene Revealed, the first apostle, her feminist gospel, and the Christianity we haven't tried yet. You don't have to be a Christian to read this book and to be completely blown away and moved by the lessons that are in it. My friend Megan Watterson wrote it. I've been talking about it a lot on Instagram and on Facebook, and this book is like, it's so good. So definitely pick that up. Mary Magdalene Revealed. That link is in the video description too. If you're watching this on replay on IGTV, go ahead and click the little arrow up by the title of this video right up there and get all this information and the links that you can just click through. Had to get that all out. Everything's in the video description. I'm so ready for this meditation today. This is one of my favorites. It's like definitely top 5 of the greatest lessons, the way that I really sink in, tap in, go deep, connect with my heart. I just can't wait to share it with you. So I want you to take that nice, easy, intentional, natural, effortless inhale and exhale with me. It's all easy. It's just breathing. If you can breathe, you can meditate. Inhale, exhale. Cross over the threshold into a new space, an energetic space. So wherever you are physically, know that you can move energetically into a space of deeper peace, more profound quiet, a silence, and Megan talks about this in her book, a silence that doesn't mean that there's no noise. It's just a silence that connects you to your heartbeat, the inner workings of you, of your physical body, of your spirit, of your soul. That deep, beautiful, warm silence where you're just focusing on the sound of your breath, the sound of your heart, and what I'd like to offer, even the sound of the environment around you, because that's in service to you too. That's where you are. That is the truth of this moment. It doesn't have to distract you. It can support you. Close your eyes if it feels safe. If it doesn't, keep them open. Just make sure that your focus is soft. So focus on something across the room and then draw it back to soften it. Feel okay to move from side to side or back and forth, rocking into your comfortable seat. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, roll them down along your spine. Just put your hand over your belly, and with your inhale, let your belly expand and soften. Exhale, allow your belly button to move inward, not forcing it though. This allows for a full body breath. Allowing the energy to move through you all the way down to your seat. So you're here now in this space. You're breathing. You're still or you're moving. You're comfortable. You're calm. You are safe. And you are perfectly poised to receive wisdom. And I'm going to tell you how to do that, how to connect to that inner wisdom, how to train your intuition to always speak to you. It's going to be so easy. You're going to remember it always. You're going to go back to it again and again. And each time you will connect faster, and the answers will come quicker, louder. It's going to be easy. This exercise that I'm offering you, it's yours now. So change it up however you'd like once you learn it. With your next breath, I want you to imagine yourself in a classroom. You are a little child, maybe 5, your first experience in school, maybe 4 in preschool. Inhale and exhale, dropping into that vision. You're in the classroom, sitting at your desk. You see the teacher in front of you, this person that you admire so much. They're teaching a lesson, and you are so excited to participate. Your teacher asks a question, and you raise your hand. I know. Now, your answer isn't the one that the teacher wanted. It wasn't right, they tell you. But they go on to say something else. Interesting. Thank you. Thank you for your answer. You are so brave for raising your hand and speaking up. You are so brave. You feel these words as affirmation. You are proud of yourself. You feel held and supported by these words. Yes, I am brave. Yes. Yes, I am so courageous for raising my hand and giving the answer, even though I don't know if it was right or not. I didn't know. But it's okay, because my teacher approves. My teacher is curious and supportive. That little person, that little you, is your intuition, is your inner wisdom. It's your inner wisdom in training. It is growing. It is learning to raise its hand. It is learning that it's okay to be wrong, and you are the teacher, not at all judgmental, but full of curiosity, full of approval, full of welcoming, full of affirming. You welcome and affirm all answers, even if they are different from what you expect, even if they're uncomfortable, even if they're strange or weird or funny or silly or wrong. You are the teacher affirming, welcoming, and supporting all answers from your inner wisdom. So when you go into meditation, recognize you're there now. You're here now in this safe space of peace and calm, of energetic protection. You have created this bubble. You are doing something so lovely and loving for yourself. When you are in this space, you can ask yourself anything, and receive the answer with curiosity over judgment. And when you do that, just like a little child growing and getting brave. Your intuition will raise its hand faster. It will be louder, more confident every time, and it will learn to guide you in the right direction because it will feel so loved and welcomed. It will be easy for it to speak up because you have called it in and said, I love you, I'm listening. I trust you. You are wise. And as you grow, I will support you and never judge you. And when you imagine your intuition as this little child, this little you, it's so easy to give love to. It is so easy. You will never say anything to quiet it, to make it feel shame, to make it afraid to raise their hand, right? Sink into that feeling of feeling so loved and supported and heard and validated. Inhale, exhale, settle in. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, let it feel good. 1 more time. You are loved, supported, welcomed, validated, appreciated. Inhale, exhale. That's it. You are connected. You are connected to your inner wisdom, your intuition. You are doing it. You are becoming brave and confident, smarter, wiser, more courageous. With your next easy and effortless inhale and exhale, go ahead and flutter your eyes open. Return to your space. Hello, people who are commenting. Hello. Thank you for joining me today. I hope that you use that exercise. It's a good one. It works. So when I use, it's the vision that I bring forward when I'm feeling like I'm not enough, I don't know the answers, I'm feeling unsure of myself. Reminder, check out the links in the video description here on Facebook, up here on IGTV, also down here on YouTube. Pick up this book, Mary Magdalene Revealed. It's backwards, but the link is in the video description. This is my old book. I just have it sitting here. And this is the new one that you can pre-order. This is The Galley, Managing the Mother Load. That exercise is in there in a little bit of a different form. So you still want to buy the book. It's in chapter 3. And you could also become a pre-reader and read it today if you pre-order. So use that link, use that link. I love you, I love you, I love you. I say it 3 times to affirm it. I say it 3 times so it really feels true. And for the same reason, I say 3 times, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you, and I feel so privileged to be able to sit in front of you on these Mondays, and because you show up for me, I feel inspired and compelled to show up for you. I'll see you soon. Love you.